Hey, Taylor. This is a great question. This is exactly what algebra is about. So we have these functions that or equations that describe what we see in the real world. And so in this case, it says we have this function right here. Sorry, let me see if I get my pen working. Hopefully, we have this function right here that can be used to predict diamond production. Okay, so for this function, x is the number of years after 2000, and f of x, that's the output, is the value in billions of dollars of the year's diamond production. So we have these two things that are related. It's the number of years past 2000, and then the output is the billions of dollars produced. So f of x equals 0.36 times x plus 13.3 billion. Yeah, that's 13.3 billion. And so the year 2000 has an x value of 0, and then 2001 has an x value of 1 because that's how many years past 2000 we are. So if we continue that pattern down to 2007, right, we know we have an x value of 7 right there. And so if we come over here to our function, you say, well, this function is used to describe the value, like how much production in billions of dollars we have after X number of years. But in this case, we're dealing with 7 years specifically. Like we want to know what the answer is after 7 years. And so we just do f of 7 equals 0.36 times 7 plus 13.3. And so as we go through this, we type that into our calculator. I've got a calculator in front of me here. It'll be faster. So 0.36 times 7, that's 2.52 plus 13.3. And we get $15.82 billion, right, in production in the year 2007. So type an integer or decimal is what the directions say up here in blue. So I think they want an exact answer of 15.82. Let's check and see if that's right. And it is. So that's how you do it. I'd suggest trying another problem. I'd like to see you try these problems to begin with using the question help tab in the view an example. Like if you view an example, you can see it kind of talks you through that. So in the future, you don't have to wait for a video for me. You can read, you can try to figure it out, and I'll actually be able to see if you get it wrong a couple times because it'll have your answer in here when you send it to me. And I don't mind making these videos, but try to use those other question helps as well while you're working through these problems. Hopefully this helps.